Hello friends, this is Revolver 44, and today I have a review to show you of my, well, it's not mine, it's a friend's borrowed Winchester 1894. This one was made in 1900. It's pre-World War One and World War Two. There were 7.5 million of these produced from 1894 to present day. This one here is chambered in 38-55 caliber. This is a blank round, a dummy round. This one here has a 26-inch octagon barrel. Hold on a second, I have somebody that came to visit me as usual here. My boy Grady. He has to come and see all my videos. Huh. You want to say hello? You say hello, Grady? Yeah, he's a good boy. He comes down here and he yells at me, talks to me at the start of all my videos. I think he thinks it's because I'm down here talking to him. You all set now, honey? Let's go down. We're back to the gun. This has like I said, a 26-inch octagon barrel. It has a beautiful walnut stock. It has a crescent butt plate. It has, what else? Has a checkered hammer. It has the Winchester engraved tang, which was changed throughout the years on these little bit different engravings. I can show you that on another one. This is this is prior to them putting the proof marks here on the receiver and on the barrel. It just says, this one here, it just says 38-55 caliber. But they made a lot of small changes with these through the years. It has a forged steel receiver, which was also changed after 1964. The proof marks that I showed you, well, I didn't show you that, but the original, after 1905, they started putting a proof mark on the barrel here and on the receiver. This one here doesn't have that because they didn't start doing that till 1905. In the 1920s, they changed the writing on the tang here. It was changed a few times, actually. Yeah, it's a beautiful little gun. If you have one of these, you know anybody that has it, if you could please mention in the comments if you think these sights are original. I think they are. They're different than the ones on my 1940 Model 94. The front sight it's kind of small, but it looks like it has a brass fin on the top of it. It's dovetailed into the barrel. I think it's probably an original sight. If you know, please mention that in the comments. The finish is naturally, worn. It has a nice patina to it. The original chambering for this gun was 38.55, which this one is, and 32.40. That was in 1894 when it first came out. And then in 1895, they started making the 30 WCF, which was later changed. Well, not changed, but they changed the name of it to 3030. What happened was Maryland came out with a gun in the same chambering, and they didn't want the Winchester didn't want to put, not Winchester, but Maryland didn't want to put 30 WCF on their guns, Winchester centerfire. That's so they changed the name of it to 3030, and it was kind of known as 3030 for a long after that for as the common name of it. This rifle was used by the U.S. Army in World War I and World War II on the coast to protect the coast in small quantities. Some of them might be marked U.S. if you find one of those. This was the first commercial rifle also chambered in a smokeless powder. This gun over the years was made in Connecticut at the Winchester factory. Then I think it was the 1980s, it was made by U.S. Repeating Arms, and it's still made today by Moroku out of Japan. Yeah, it's really a beautiful little piece. See the nice crescent butt plate. The wood is in beautiful condition. The walnut's in beautiful condition. This is the nice original writing on the tang. I think that's the oldest style of writing as far as the tang writing is concerned. And it has the nice checkered hammer. It has a beautiful patina to it. And this is the 38.55 writing on the barrel. The beautiful octagon barrel. And over here you have the manufactured by Winchester Repeating Arms, New Haven, Connecticut, USA. Written on the top of the barrel. Yeah, it's got it has some wear, but being made in 1900, you have to figure that it's going to have some wear on it. But it's got a nice original patina to it. This gun I think this is a really original gun. It's untouched as far as being restored. It's just in its original state. The wood is very nice. It's a nice color wood. It looks original to me. A beautiful patina on that steel. When they changed the chambering to 3030, they also changed the material. They started to use using what they called a nickel steel. It was a stronger steel for the high pressure round of the 3030 or the 30 WCF round. I have another one to show you. This one I'm going to show you now is my rifle. This one was made in 1940. This one is chambered in 32 special. You see the 32 special compared to the 38-55. There's not that much of a difference in size. This is a bottleneck round, where this is a straight wall cartridge. But I can show you the writing on the tang, how that differs. They changed it up a little bit in this 1940 rifle. It's still nice, just a little different. All the writings on this one are a little bit different, and you can see that this one here also has the proof marks. You see that the proof marks on the receiver and on the barrel. Winchester proof mark. Also has a little bit different sight. You can see this buckhorn sight. This was used for a long time, this type of sight. And this one also has the hooded front sight with a little white bead underneath the hood. But it's basically the same gun. This one is also a shorter barrel. This is a 20-inch barrel. I don't know if they call this the carbine or if they call it the short rifle. If you know, you could leave me an answer to that in the comments. But this is a beautiful, beautiful piece also. It has a straight butt plate with the serrations in it. I have a previous review on this one. If you look at my reviews, this one is also all forged steel. This is made in 1940, which is also right when World War II was getting ramped up, before the United States were involved in it. Excuse me. Need a little drink of water here. Yeah, so this is a beautiful timepiece. I wish this thing could talk. We'd really have some good stories to tell. Yeah, this gun was part of the original chamberings, 38-55. It was also chambered in 32-40. That's the two original chamberings from 1894. Like I said, in 1895 they started making the 30 WCF. What else can I tell you about this one? Oh, it has a 9-round capacity. This one here has a 9-round capacity. It's got 26-inch barrel, walnut stock. I think that's about all I have to say about it. You could check the trigger pull weight on it. I'm sure it's pretty light after all these years being used. It was used quite a bit, I'm sure, but not abused. Put this dummy around in here so I'm not hitting, I don't damage the firing pin. You see it loading into the barrel there. Let's give this a check. £3, 14 ounces. That's nice. A nice trigger pull. And once again, you see when I eject this, it comes out the top. So this is a perfectly functioning gun. The guy I borrowed this from, he uses it. Doesn't use it a lot, but he still uses it. He wants to try and preserve it. He doesn't want to try and buy any parts for it if he can help it, which I don't blame him. Something this old, 1900. That's really an old piece. Beautiful old rifle. So that's about all I have to tell you about this gun today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more content in a couple of weeks. So until then, be safe, and we'll see you for the next video in a couple of weeks. Thank you.